Hey guys! So this time I'm gonna try making dry natto beans and traditional Japanese shrimp cracker. And as for dry natto beans, I didn't even know that it actually existed until like 5 years ago. On a way to America, on a flight, they served me this tiny packet of beans, and as I chewed, it was like, oh, it's crunchy and good. I'm kind of familiar with its flavor and then realized it's natto. So natto, fermented beans, even for Japanese people, some people hate it. I used to hate it, now I eat it every day. I like it. It is difficult to start. So natto beans is, I guess it's like a easier way to try. So I'm gonna try making that. And after I'm done cooking it, I'm going to compare mine with the ones made by professional Japanese snack makers. And thank you to Sakurako for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity like this. Always, thank you so much. So these are the snacks I'm going to compare with mine. Dry natto beans and shrimp crackers. Alright, let's get to it. Ta-da! Natto. Gonna try smelling it. Oh, doesn't sound bad to you? Okay. So usually natto comes with sauce. Usually like it's a bonito soy saucy flavor sauce and Japanese mustard, karashi. And you mix until it becomes so sticky that looks almost gross and lose your appetite. I'm gonna just go ahead and use these, but you can use anything you like to flavor it. I think ume is also a common, popular topping. Japanese pon or shiso. Oh, as you can see. Oh, hi Haku. How do you like the smell? How do you not like the smell? Oh, maybe Haku doesn't like it. What about you? Ooh, Nagi doesn't mind. Okay, doesn't seem to care that much either. And there are many sizes. The one on the left is kotsubu, small, and the one on the right is medium, chutsubu. There's also a big one as well. Well, they're gonna love this sauce. It's bonito, but it's a little bit too strong for kids. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, smells good. It's a bonito sauce. Do not mix too much this time. Just lightly coat the beans with the sauce. This looks very not appetizing. I don't know how I became able to like this. I used to hate it. The smell, the appearance, the sticky strings. Okay, spread it on a cooking sheet. Okay, how do you like the string of natto nagi? Did you just eat it? Okay. Nagi. You seem to be very interested. Okay. Shh. Did you guys just swap? And then natto. Sorry. Sorry. Then this is a laundry net looking product for making dry fruits or dry natto. You can just use a normal laundry bag as well if it'll fit. Set. And then I'll hang this outside when it's not raining for day or 2 or 3. Next, shrimp cracker. Leftover rice. It's very dry already. And dried shrimp. You can make the shrimp into shrimp powder as well, but this time I'm gonna just use them as a whole shrimp. Maybe a tiny, tiny half of a shrimp. You guys can eat it. Sprinkle, and then salt. Smells good. If it's a little too dry, you can sprinkle some water to make them stick to each other a little bit more. Okay, then cooking sheet again. Cooking sheets again. Yeah? No, press it down harder. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Okay. Ta-da! Now it's flattened. Then you can either deep fry it or microwave it. And microwave would be easier, so I'm gonna use microwave today. Ooh,いいね. Both of my mom and dad's sides are both farmers, and they're both growing rice. And this is one of my recipes I learned from them. A giant rice cracker. Ooh. Shrimp senbei, shrimp cracker, shrimp chips. It's done. Ta-da! Dry natto. Ta-da! It looks just like a normal beans. Okay, dry natto beans. Shrimp chips. Let's compare these with the ones from Sakurako. Sakurako is a monthly Japanese snack subscription box. It comes with 20 traditional and authentic artisan Japanese snack items, including Japanese teas. And one special Japanese tableware. There's a different theme every month. This month's box, Ibaraki Harvest, is a collaboration with the Ibaraki government to share Ibaraki's local culinary artisans and rich flavors. The city Mito in Ibaraki has the highest production of natto in Japan. Natto, healthy beans for the brave. That's right. Here's the dry natto snack I'm going to compare with. Parinto natto snack, a specialty of Mito. Natto, fermented soybeans, are love or hate food for Japanese people. Alright, moral truth. I'm gonna start with dry natto. Oh. It looks a little lighter than mine. Maybe they didn't use a thick colored sauce or anything. Okay, let's compare. I'm gonna start with mine. Itadakimasu. It is dry natto. I suck at commenting, but I have nothing else to say. It is literally dry natto. It's not sticky or anything. Yeah, I think it's a good way to try natto. Yeah, not great, but not bad. Alright, では、いただきます。Wow, so much more crunchier. Oh wow. Okay. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how it should be. This one smells a lot less. Wow. This is so good. You wouldn't probably even notice that this is actually natto beans unless you were told that this was natto. I think even my wife would actually can't eat this and probably enjoy it. But this, yeah, okay, okay. This is good, really good. Especially after I compare with mine. I can tell the difference very easily. Wow. Alright. Next, shrimp crackers. They probably use rice flour instead of rice grain like I did. So yeah, the texture will be different, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start with mine. Itadakimasu. Okay. Itadakimasu. Okay. It's a lighter, softer, more delicate. This is a totally different snack, even though they use almost same ingredients. Yeah, the texture, this is way better. I don't dislike mine. I like how shrimpy it is, but this one, yeah, I probably want to eat this more than mine. Okay, I had salty stuff and I want something sweet now. Authentic Ibaraki Sencha green tea. Ibaraki Sencha green tea. Ah, smells so good. Itadakimasu. It doesn't have any unpleasant bitterness. It's really good. Wow. Okay, I feel a little better, even though I'm completely lost. Woo? Woo? What? You actually like my dry natto beans? Okay. Oh, okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna make natto for Nagi and other kitties. I guess I'm gonna make homemade natto. Oh, you came back again. Hi. You really like that much? Wow, okay. This has too much sauce. It's too salty. You shouldn't be eating more than that, okay? I may lost completely to this. Yeah, this is way better, but at least Nagi ate some. At least Nagi liked it. Thank you, bye. Alright. ごちそうさまでした. It was so good. I liked it a lot. If you're interested in these snacks, for example, natto, dry beans, this will be included in the box. Natto, healthy beans for the brave. If you're not brave enough, but you want to try natto, maybe this is a way for you to try. If you're interested in trying Sakurako, you can get $5 off using my code Yoshizuki on your first Sakurako box through my link in the description box below. Hey baby, do you want some more dry natto I made? Oh. Oh. Hi Boogie, you want some dry natto too? Okay. Okay, I feel better. Oh man. How do they do it? It's so different. Okay, baby. Hi. Dry natto. Do you like to smell my head more than natto? Okay. Dishes. Okay.